A world of numbers, bright and grand. Let's count the wonders, hand in hand. Look up high, with joy and glee. One sun shining, just for you and me. Look up high, with joy and glee. One sun shining, just for you and me. In the sky, so light and free. Two birds singing, happy as can be. On the tree, for all to see. Three apples waiting just for me. In the garden, by the door. Four flowers blooming, more and more. When the day is done, no more. Five stars twinkle, let's explore. Around the bloom, so sweet and thick. Six bees buzzing, quick, quick, quick. In the pond, so deep and even. Seven fish are swimming heaven. Through the air, a gentle gate. Eight butterflies, isn't that great? Above us high, without a whine. Nine clouds floating on our hands and on our toes. 10 fingers, 10 toes, as everyone knows. From 1 to 10, we've counted high, with every wonder in the land and sky.
Like, share, and subscribe.